In this question, we're going to look at the equation of a line that passes through a pair of points. So in this question, the question states, find the equation of a line passing through each pair of points below, given the answer in the form y equals mx plus c. So we've got two coordinates, 3 and 2, and 5 and 8. So what we do here, the problem with this, we don't know what the gradient is. So what we do first of all is we write down the gradient formula, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, I'm going to call 3x1, 2y1, 5x2, and 8y2. So we can substitute these values into our equation. So y2 is 8, y1 is 2, and x2 is 5, and x1 is 3. So now we can say that m is going to be the following: 8 take away 2 is 6, 5 take away 3 is 2, so we get m, the gradient, being 3. Now, because the straight line passes through both coordinates, it doesn't matter what you're going to call x and y. So for simplicity, I'm just going to call x 3, first coordinate, and y 2. If you want to, you can choose the second coordinate. You would get the same result. So now I'm going to do y equals to mx plus c. So now we can plug in the values. So y is 2, m is 3, the x coordinate is also 3 in this case, and then we get plus c. So 2 equals to 3 times 3, which is 9, and we get plus c. We're going to minus 9 on both sides of the equation, and so we get 2 take away 9 is minus 7 equals c. And remember, we want all equations in the form y equals mx plus c. So therefore, y equals to, the gradient in our case is 3, so we get 3x, and the y-intercept is minus 7, so we get 3x minus 7 is the equation of the straight line. Here's a question for you to try. I want you to pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So this question says, find the equation of a line passing through each of the pair of points below, given the answer in the form y equals mx plus c. So again, we need to use the gradient formula. So we're going to say m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we're going to call 6x1, 1 y1, 8 x2, and then 9 y2 respectively. So we can say y2 is 9, y1 is 1, divided by x2, which is 8, minus x1, which is 6. So we get 9 take away 1 is 8, divided by 8 take away 6, which is 2. We're going to do 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So now we're going to use y equals mx plus c. Remember, we always need to work out what c is. So we need to choose the coordinate. So I'm going to choose the first coordinate again. If you want to, you can choose the second coordinate. You'll get the same result. So x equals 6 and y equals to 1. So we can substitute that into our equation of the line. So y equals 1, m equals 4, open the brackets, x equals 6, and then we want to work out what c is. So 1 equals to 4 times 6, which is 24, plus c, and then we're going to minus 24 on both sides of the equation, and c equals to minus 23. So we can say we want all equations in the form y equals mx plus c. So in our case, it's y equals to 4x minus 23.